All right. Chris, how you doing today? My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can guarantee you more customers. All right, I have my own business. It's called Schenectady SEO. I live right here in Schenectady. You might know my father, actually, Michael. All right, you may have worked with him, which is awesome. I know you guys do some great work, and I'd like to show you a couple more ways on how you can guarantee more customers. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you these 3 ways. And the first way is going to be content. So checking out your website. Content is anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. So content is anything. I'm going to save this picture. All right, and what it should say is it should have your business name in it. Okay, that's awesome. Good. All right, so Google's going to go through your website, and it definitely did when the website was made. All right, and they like stuff like that. It's very particular. They want to see your business name in the photos, okay? Just not random, oh, house 1 or something like that. You want it as your business name, and I'm glad that you guys got that. So when I looked up your website, this came up, your Google My Business, all right? And that brings me to my second out of 3 topics today, and that is a citation. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, Google likes to see businesses have these. All right, why is that? Because it gives you more authority, and Google sees you as a more legitimate business. They start to trust you more. They start to give you some pretty much points in Google's eyes. All right, I'm sure you guys got a lot of good photos on here. Keep that up. And Google reviews, you guys got 154. All right, see if you can get more reviews. All right, the more reviews, the better. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go to Roofing Schenectady, New York. I typed that in. All right, and I'm not sure if you guys have this. Definitely invest in the Google Guaranteeds. They're way better than Google Ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So that's something to take into consideration. Google Guaranteeds are definitely worth the investment. So it was good to see you guys in the Google Map Pack. All right, so as you may know, the businesses that pop up here on the front page of Google get most of the calls. So you guys are probably getting a good amount of calls from being just on here. All right, so as we scroll down a little further, it's going to bring me to my third topic of discussion right now, and that is backlinks. Backlinks are simply other websites that have an ad inside them that point directly to your website. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple numbers of your website in a minute here. All right, so the question is, do I see you guys on here? Yep, you guys are on the first page of Google. However, you're not at the top, so we got to take you from here. We got to pass SG Roofing and Roofing Alley. So I'm going to show you competitors in a second, what they're doing. We want to get you to the top. All right, we want to make sure you're seen by as many customers as possible. All right, let's go to your Ahrefs numbers. Ahrefs is a website that I pay for monthly. All right, they pay Google for these numbers, so they're accurate. Sometimes they may be a little off. They got to update it every month or so, every couple weeks. All right, but these are your numbers as of right now. The URL rating is how much trust that Google has in your website. All right, you guys have a 26 out of 100. And the domain rating, you guys have a 7 out of 100. That's how much power that Google gives your website. So you guys have 77 referring domains giving you 370 backlinks. You guys have had 9,000 in the past. 370 are the ones that are live. And I can tell that they're not great backlinks for you because it's keeping the domain rating number very low. There's a direct correlation. All right, we're going to talk about keywords in a moment. You guys are bringing in around 600 people a month to your website, and you guys are bringing around $4,000 a month with your website, okay? So, with that being said, let's actually check out your keywords. Keywords are super powerful as well. So we talked about content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so I also like to talk about keywords as well. These are super important because a keyword is simply anything that anyone searches in Google. All right, so when I did Roofing Schenectady, New York, that's all one keyword, and that's something that you want to be ranking for. If I scroll through this enough, I'm sure I could find it. But pretty much what we see here is volume. We want you guys to be, well, I should say keywords this tells you how many people monthly search for each keyword. And we want to make sure you're ranking in the first position. Okay, so the first position is seen by as many people as possible, all right, monthly. So if people are looking, 2.8 thousand people are looking for your business monthly, that's awesome. All right, you guys are in the second position, which is weird. All right, Pinnacle Roofing Inc., you guys are first. 70 people a month look for that. Roofing companies near me, that's huge. So if you guys wanted to keep expanding, we could get you to that first position. All right, that's going to bring you in so many more customers, all right, almost on like a national scale. So when I'm helping smaller companies, when I do this, I kind of steer away from those national keywords. I like to do more local, Schenectady, Rotterdam, even Albany, I could go on. So shingles, flat roof, like it could be anything that you guys do, you type that in, we get the keywords. All right, and when I look at competitors, we're going to make sure we see what works for them, because we know if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. So that could be for keywords and backlinks. We want to steal their positions if they have good backlinks. Keywords. So you guys got to do a little bit better on the keyword side of it. We want to rank because, 200, 400, 250 customers, 350 customers. So like that adds up. Okay, so if you're ranking first position for all these keywords that have, 250, 400, 350 volume, that's 1,000 customers monthly that you guys could be seeing more. Think about what an extra 1,000 customers a month can do for your business. So S&G Roofing, their website's okay. When I'm building a website for a company, I like to tell them 1,500 words on the front page. They might have close to that, but I don't know. I don't really love their website. These are their numbers. They have a 31 and a 16. All right, they have a lot of backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. It's keeping that number kind of low. This should be way higher. All right, so 940, 128, 245. Yeah, you kind of get the point here. With Roofing Alley here, their website's simple. All right, and these are their numbers, a little bit lower. So yeah, they're sitting at 3.2. Their backlinks aren't good. Keywords, they're probably not ranking for any great keywords. No one's visiting their website. So I kind of showed you both sides. You guys are doing pretty good in the online aspect. You're kind of beating your competitors, but there's always room for improvement. All right, I'd like to talk with you more about this. We got to get you in front of more eyes, more people's eyes. I'll actually click your numbers real quick. So, yeah, 8-minute video. Chris, if you stuck around and watched this, I truly appreciate it. I'd love to talk to you more about this. All right. This is super powerful information, and if businesses do it the right way, they can see an increase in everything that their business has to offer. Okay, you could be expanding, you could be hiring more people with this information because money's going to keep coming in. Okay, I'm just a guy giving you an extra couple tips here, and at the end of the day, you're the hero of your business, and I look forward to, again, hearing from you. If you're not looking to work together, that's totally fine. Take these tips and run off with them. Good luck with everything in the future. I appreciate it. I'm signing off. Let me know what you think. Give me some feedback. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate it, Chris. Have a good one.